Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Joy. The artist is BLACKSTREET. The song is Joy, and I'm using the new Carnegie mix. It's right at 4 minutes. The choreography is forward motion. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504 251 0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it. And there you go, Joy. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.